been. And yeah, we're gonna walk over to Bui Vien, check it out. We haven't even gotten there really yet, but yeah, just kind of goofing around. Now this will be my first time out at the whole Bui Vien area at night. I've been there in the afternoon every time, usually to get a burger or check out a travel agency there, but just so much to do out here. Like I said, we haven't even gotten to Bui Vien yet, and this is only one small fraction of what there is available out here in downtown Saigon. So yeah, we're just gonna kind of bum around and see what we can see. Here's a place, Crazy Buffalo. Nice and lit up. Looks like a fun place. Let's see, Go-Go, what is that? Go-Go to Bar? Whatever, I guess. So now we're on one end of it, so we're gonna hang a right and, like I said, see what we can see. Now this place, Ocean, I've been here before for a burger in the afternoon. Pretty good burgers, actually. And if you are looking for expats, this is where you'll find them. A lot of people call this the backpacker area. Now here's another place. Now today is this is a Wednesday night, so not really a busy night, but plenty of people out, plenty of food. Like I said, lots of expats hanging around. On a Friday, or maybe I'll come back sometime on a Friday, Saturday night. I imagine it's probably really nuts here, but this is manageable. You know, you can still walk through, not shoulder to shoulder. Just got to keep an eye out for the motorcycles coming up and down the road. Oh, no thank you. No, I gotta go. There are a lot of gals here who want to give you a massage, so expect to see that. Hello. The Sahara. Yeah, we got a kid over here juggling fire. Lots of coffee houses, so it's not all bars. I mean, there are coffee houses here. Place to park your bike. And there are rooms here, like apartments, you can get and actually just come downstairs, be in the midst of the whole scene here, and then just go right back up to your place. Again, no shortage of food, lots of food. So a bit different from, say, Revolucion Avenue in Mexico, Tijuana. That was mostly bars and strip places. Here you're not going to see any strip clubs. Again, it's mostly bars, restaurants, and coffee places. Really a fairly tame place to hang out. The only thing you're going to probably have to keep an eye out for would be pickpockets or phone snatchers. But it's a well-lit area, plenty of people around, so, you know, it's not, and again, it's a pretty clean place. You know, it's not all seedy and trashy like some places. Nice businesses here. It's even a barbecue, or not barbecue, barber place here, in case you want to get a haircut before you go drinking. And you can also notice a lot of these places, they have 2 stories where you can go up to the second story and just kind of look down on the action from the balcony. So what's your impression, Vin? What do you think?
It's pretty tame on a Wednesday night. It's still fun to come and just walk through and see the exciting things around here.
Yeah, lots of good visuals. And there's the that's the full length of the main part here of Bui Vien. You can see there's an entrance on each side. And the area around Bui Vien, again, there's this little alley on the side of it that has lots of travel agencies. I've been to the alley, maybe I'll show you that on another video, but they have travel agencies, they got inexpensive rooms, and teeny little eateries that are also really good to eat at. So I'll show you that on a separate video sometime. But that's basically it. This is the whole Bui Vien walking area. Hello, hi, Xin Chao. Okay, so that's it for that. Catch you guys later. Bye-bye.